person with a febrile condition.
We rolled out our launching program for the coffee shed vaccine, and we were able to vaccinate some of the frontliners, health workers, and we've already vaccinated more than 40. We've received 3,000 vaccines doses for the county, and we are going on vaccination of the health workers. But we have some problems because of the people are hesitant in getting the jab. But I'm sure by the end of the time we'll be able to have vaccinated all the frontliners, health workers, and the security people in the county. So we call upon the churches to give correct information and be able to sensitize their followers to take up this, especially the health workers, because currently we are dealing with the health workers, the frontliners, the military, the forces, teachers, so that they can be able to take up, because they are very predisposed to this kind of pandemic.
I just wanted to encourage the ladies to have this vaccine because it is an advantage for us, especially health workers, because we are the ones who are vulnerable, we are the ones who are in front line serving the patients, and we don't know the patients who come to our services, who is sick, who is not. So it is not that it can do anyone any harm. I'm been vaccinated and it is safe. I've not gone through any side effect, and I'm encouraging everyone as a lady to come